Yo, 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 yo. Traders, stocks. Oh, this music's wag. That's all we can do, man. It's free. YouTube keeps yelling at me because I'm playing too many bangers. What's going down? All right. What stocks you guys watching, man? Daniel's in here. German Nismo. Oh yeah. What's up, gang? What's up, Daniel? Daniel. German in Susanna. NASCAR's here. What's up, boy? Just checking out the markets, man. Charting. Getting ready for tomorrow. The S&P is looking wild. I don't know what's to come, man. We got some big things this week. Inflation data. I don't know. Maybe this is it. This is it, maybe. This is where we go further down. I still think we have a lot more downside. I think people are chilling way too much right now. That's just my opinion. I think there's another... I think it's going to get pretty bad. But we'll see. We'll see. Don't speculate too hard. Go one day at a time. I just think, you know, inflation really hasn't chilled out yet. And this next CPI could be a reality check. It could be a reality check. Like, if it's 8% again, I don't know, man. Like, this could be the week. It's going to be a bloody holiday, man. I just, I hope America makes it through. I hope the world makes it through. Mostly America. Because America. And there's going to be some financial hardship ahead. So what are you guys doing to prepare for that? Me? I'm going to be trading stocks, boy. I don't give a fuck what's going on. Okay. I've been ready for this recession. Let's go. I'm ready to buy the dip. Give it to me. There's so many stocks that are so cheap right now. It's unreal. I just want them a little cheaper. So, what are you guys looking at? I'm just pulling up this chart. This is the S&P 500 E-mini futures. I want to chart stuff for you guys. What do you watch? And let me know. Let's talk through it. Give me a little more than the ticker symbol, please. And also, as you're in here, hit that like, hit that subscribe if you're new. Welcome. Hit that like button too, guys. Come on. It goes a long ways. It really does help the channel. It's easy to do. It's easy. Come on. Hit the like button. You guys want to trade stocks? You better learn how to hit that like button. That's the least you can do. You hit every like. For every like, I'll hit a chart up. One stock. Hold up. One like, one chart. Boom. All right. What are you guys watching? Give me a holler. What's going on? What's down? What's going down with it? Hootie. I've been hearing some things about hoodies. Run $1,000 over the next few days. Yeah, you think this is like HKD 2.0? HKD was crazy, man. We had a guy in our group call that in our private Discord. There was a guy that called this thing out at like $40, or it called out HKD at $40. It was crazy. All right. I mean, you can see it's just been volatile. If we go to the daily, right, you're seeing the volume coming in. It must be getting squeezed or something if it's moving this hard, because it has traded at higher volumes in the past. What I want to do is pull up Finviz real quick, see if we can get a little more info on this thing. So what is this, Hootie? Wow, there's like no shares in this thing. Extremely low float. I wouldn't like float. I don't like float that low, but it's susceptible to manipulation. That's for sure. $2 billion market cap. It's pretty high. Holy crap, up 242%. Announced strategic plan to enter new energy industry and initiates discussion with a Saskatchewan, I don't know how to say that, local government to invest in constructing new energy battery and storage project. Okay. So they're jumping into a new industry. And okay, pretty big deal. Looking to get maybe government subsidized here. Okay. Yeah, man. I mean, it just keeps climbing. It's stacking. Definitely floating around a little bit of that, huh? Looks like it found it as support here in the resistance in the past. Had a nice breakthrough there. Could be finding support there. So I'm gonna watch that zone for now and see what it ends up doing. Come in a little bit more here. Don't want to speculate too hard. Just got a little bit of a channel there. What up? Hit that like, one analysis, man. All right, how many likes we got? How many analyses am I doing tonight? We got 9 viewers, 11 likes. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. Right now, I'm covering your guys' plays. I do this for my subscribers all the time, so I got you guys covered. I'm doing my own charting later on tonight to prepare for tomorrow, but I want to make sure I cover you guys before we head into the trading week ahead. It's going to be a crazy week. We have inflation data coming out again. It's not looking good. You know, the market has been downtrending for some time now. If I pull up the S&P here, and CPI could be the tipping point here. We'll see, man. We'll see. I don't know what's left in the S&P. I for some time now, when I've been talking with my private Discord, we've been watching this very close day in and day out, slapping it hard, and we've been attesting to the fact that there could be more and more downside. Fundamentally, I think there's more downside. Fundamentally, I think there's still a recession. We need a recession. It's healthy. We need a hard reset. Inflation's too out of control, and it's going to take too long to get down. The Fed reacted way too slowly after we printed $4 trillion, and this is the result of that. So it's all coming back to us now. And it's going to be some financial hardship ahead, I think. But we need to prepare. As traders, there's many things we can do. We can hedge. As investors, as traders, we could short. There's many things you can do, okay? And we teach that in the private Discord. We're really just going to walk through it day by day and get through this together. So don't worry too much about it. But I just want you to be cognizant of that. I do think things are going to get really freaking bad. I just don't know when, and is that lever going to be this week? I don't know. I think it's going to take a substantial catalyst to start seeing some kind of waterfall here. Or some kind of waterfall's it's a term, but not in this context. Just some kind of major reset or pullback, aggressive pullback. We haven't really had that massive market displacement yet, okay? And I'm talking like this shit right here, this stuff right here, right? This pandemic pullback. I'm waiting for another like 15, maybe 10% drop. In the S&P, I think there's more downside, indefinitely. You know, I got as low as 3,200, maybe even 3,400 at that pre-pandemic high. So we'll see where things take us. Waterfall sell, my prediction is it comes mid-December. Yeah, I think it's going to be, it's funny how it's all lighting up. I think it's just going to be like a not so merry Christmas, okay? Not so merry holiday season. I think there's going to be a lot of financial hardship, and it's going to hit like now. I think it's coming faster than people predicted initially. Back in the summertime, a lot of firms, you know, big companies, I'm talking like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, billionaire investors, they were all projecting this kind of coming in 2023 regardless, but it looks like a lot of that's going to get pulled ahead here just because of how the Fed has been kind of responding these last few reports here, right? The last few FOMC meetings, especially the last one here, they are still super aggressive, which is good and bad. It's a double-edged sword. Like, it shows that they are doing whatever it takes, and they're going to stay focused on inflation, but also you can only rate hike so much until it's like a problem. And on top of that, that's a double-edged sword pretty much. You want the aggression, but you also don't want it. You want to see the Fed start to become more dovish and kind of pivot here, but I don't think they're looking at a pivot anytime soon. CPI is going to be interesting. I think it's going to be pretty hot. We'll see. Hopefully it's under 8%, but it can get ugly in a hurry. Yeah, tomorrow's going to be dope. The weekends are whack now, man, because I just want to trade, man. I'm just a freaking fiend, dude. Bitcoin, my crypto port is up really good this weekend. I wanted to take some profits. I still might. I think there's another leg left on Bitcoin. If I get one more leg here, because right now it looks like it is retracing. If I get one more leg on Bitcoin, I'm going to start taking some profits on my crypto port, hold that cash, and just buy the next dip or repurpose it over. But my altcoins are freaking slapping, man. Like, I was in, I know one of them's like Matic. Like, I think my Matic's up like 30% right now, which is awesome. But I've been averaging down on crypto. I've been buying crypto every week, okay? Because I've been talking about how Bitcoin's been looking here on the higher time frame. And again, just basic market cycles, basic market structure, Wyckoff. I think there's accumulation going on down here. It's just weird how Bitcoin's been sitting in such a tight range and volatility is low, that it's uncharacteristic, and that's usually a preemptive phase for a shift in market. Doesn't mean it can't go down, though. I'm still ready for that. I'm not like overly optimistic here. I'm just realistic, and I'm telling you, this is odd what it's doing. And all I can do is just sit here and observe it. I can't speculate too much because Bitcoin is a crazy asset. This thing might be at 40K next week. I doubt it, but it's just that type of beast. It can do that. So we'll see. We'll see, man. It's pretty cool. I like crypto very long term. And, I think there's just buying opportunities out there. Everything is so cheap. Not financial advice. I just like crypto. Very long term. I think it's cheap right now relative to all-time highs. It can get cheaper though, don't forget that. And then when you look at the stock market as a whole, everything is so cheap right now, but I still think it can get cheaper. This is where patience is going to pay. Most millionaires come out of recessions, or they're born in a recession. Okay, most millionaires are conceived through recessions and economic downturns. It's just, were you prepared for it, and what are you doing during that time? Are you just sitting there kind of waiting for things to cool down? Are you doing something when everybody's freaking out? That's how people get wealth quickly, because the market just always goes up. It will. It just has to correct, just like anything. Everything has to go up and down. Everything moves in waves. All right, S&P 500 moves in waves. All right, there's waves within here. Everything that goes up must come down, but eventually always goes up, because America, bitch. America's always going up. Certain stocks are lows they have never hit before, or just really oversold. Yeah, I like Meta. Meta's cheap, What's Meta? I mean, Meta's at $90, man. I mean, yeah, all-time highs 385. It was a little inflated anyways. PE ratios are everywhere, but $90 is cheap. If we see a recession soon, Meta comes down to $50 from 90, I still got, my average is going to be at 90. So, hindsight, just holistically, long term, things look pretty cheap. I think Tesla looks, I'm watching Tesla really close. I want a recession because I think Tesla could get really cheap here. And I want to see Tesla go, let me turn the music down. I think Tesla can get as low, I think Tesla can get to some scary numbers. I'm talking like 120, like around 100 something bucks. And the main reason is again, it's just a pattern. Doesn't mean anything. Okay. Just bear with me here, but peep this. I've been watching this Head and Shoulders on Tesla, and it's massive. Okay. And it's kind of following suit. It's at an inflection point here, and so is kind of the S&P a little bit. So is that pullback going to happen soon, and is it going to fall through with the length of this move? That can put it around the $100 price range, and I would love to see Tesla that cheap, because It's Tesla, man. What else do I have to say? Elon Musk, baby. You're investing in Elon. All right. This might be one of the best ways to do that, but this isn't financial advice. This is just me sharing my opinions and kind of sharing with you guys what I'm personally watching for long term. And I like Tesla. I like Meta. Really, any of the blue chips, Fangs, Apple. You can't go wrong. Microsoft, Google. Those companies aren't going to go anywhere. Period. They're going to follow suit with the market because they pretty much weigh a big chunk of the market, but it's hard to go wrong with these things, man. This is where patience will pay, because then it's going to be years from now and Tesla's at $2,000 a share and you'd be like, man, I should have bought him. It was $100. Okay, well, that's what everybody was saying when it was at $400 a share. They're like, oh, I should have bought Tesla when it was $5 back here. It's just Sean, Goon Alert. What up, Sean? Scene Flynn. Apple has held up so well compared to most stocks. Yeah, if you look at Apple, I mean, you can see it, right? It has a little more underlying strength here. Just high level, right? I mean, look at this thing. If I can, all right, going up, and then it's kind of just buzzing around here. A lot of other stocks have had this peak, and then they retraced a little bit further down. A lot of the big ones, Microsoft, right? There's that leg, right? Microsoft, Google. Whoops. All right, Google, same thing here. So Apple's had pretty good retention. Now it's looking a little scary, to be honest with you here. We're starting to see some a little bit of displacement going on here. We need to watch this floor here on Apple that we're coming up on. This range here in between 135, 137 bucks. I can see it falling pretty hard if it breaks this floor. I mean, that is a significant floor. It's been holding since fall last year, almost a year straight. It's been holding this floor. So, yikes. It's a strong support. It was a prior strong resistance. That's overall just a big level for Apple. And you're starting to see it, right? A lot of these big companies are holding this really thin line right now. Apple is, right? Tesla is, right? That thin line we showed on the Head and Shoulders. The S&P is getting there. Okay. But, man, we talked about it. I think there's more downside. Maybe crypto saves the day. Looks like I did a little charting here on Ethereum. Just messing around. Nothing serious. Got ETH. The dollar regaining some strength here, but saw immediate rejection as it re-entered this channel here, denoted with the yellow lines here. Blue bars are the current support levels we're watching on the way down. You can see it is respecting them. Bond yields just flying. VIX has been selling off for quite a bit. You don't want to do technical analysis on the VIX. This is general rule of thumb, but just from a high level, what goes up must come down. What goes down must come up. Waves, baby. Supply and demand. A lot of things, psychological things. VIX is getting a little oversold here. There's big orders in for VIX calls from some whales. Okay, there's been some whale orders going through for VIX calls. I mean, millions of dollars on VIX calls. What do they know, man? Crude oil's pumping up. I've been talking about this shit since $77, man. Look where it's at now, 91. Told you, should have joined the private Discord, man. Too bad. The same underwriter that uplisted ATXG ran from $13 to $12.50 in a day. Is planning on another uplisting soon. I'll keep you posted as I learn more. All right, appreciate it, NASCAR guys. If you guys want to be on it, I'm telling you, NASCAR All Out is the man. This guy knows his stuff when it comes to, I want to say you're the IPO god, but when it comes to like IPOs or acquisitions, this guy's on it, dude. This guy's on it. Also, I'm pretty sure NASCAR, I don't know if you're the one, but you're definitely one of the ones that has released the viral video. This man right here, the Let's Go Brandon viral video, this is the man right here, I'm telling you. And this dude is chilling in my live stream with like 10 people in it. This shit is crazy. This shit is crazy. NASCAR. Did you see that driver the other day? This fucking dude rode the line to qualify. He said, "Screw it," and this dude gunned his car against the damn wall, and he qualified last second. It was the craziest shit I've ever seen. This dude cracked the code, man. I can't believe that. I don't know enough about NASCAR, but I know that shit was crazy. I saw that. I follow sports, so it was all over my feed. And this NASCAR driver just went ham, and he just went full send in an event. I mean, it worked. The dude cracked the code, man. Before, what up, baby? All right. Other than that, what stocks you guys watching? Run me through it, and I'll chart them for you. I'm going to give it about 30 seconds here. Black on my circle. Give me 30 seconds. Going to grab a water and whatnot. Let you guys type in the chat. The stream's delayed. I'll get right back to you, all right? All right, we're back. The crazy NASCAR story this weekend is that Coy Gibbs died in his sleep the night after his son Ty Gibbs won his first Xfinity Series title. Rest in peace. That is terrible, man. Damn. That's sad. Rest in peace, man. My condolences. It always happens to the best people, man. I swear. It's always the perfect timing. Rest in peace, Coy Gibbs. That's crazy, man. I still kind of remember when, like, Dale Earnhardt passed, man. That shook the world, man. That dude was the GOAT. I mean, just, like, one of the GOATs, period, like, in just sports total. Like, just the fact, just his dominance. Unbelievable. Yeah, I gotta make my way out to Talladega, man. That's down the road from me, man. I gotta make my way down there, man. Check some shit out. Spy. All right. NVIDIA. Got a lot of lipstick on my charts here. Just ignore that. But, you know, top plays I'm watching. I still have to do my charting for tonight, but I typically trade the S&P, so I trade SPY, the S&P ETF, and then I trade pretty much these very liquid options here. Penny stocks if the option is there. But SPY, I like SPY, NVIDIA, and Tesla. Qs are good, Apple's good. All these are good. Okay, but mostly I would say SPY, NVIDIA, and Tesla. I like saying Tesla, all right? Get off me. Bitcoin, I don't trade it. I hodl it. I like the coin. I was going to say stock. Colossus locking it down. This guy's swag. He just mad. Thanks for looking out, Colossus. All right. All right. Cool. All right. What are you guys watching? Let me know. Your mom works for Ty Gibbs. Hell yeah, dude. It's sick. Small world. All right. If there's not any more questions, let me see who's all in here. Hit the like. Hit the like, man. 17 likes. Love it. I got to chart 17 things. What do we got? What do we got, guys? This stream is for you. Capitalize on it. I don't think there's a lot of YouTubers out there that know stocks that will chart for you. So take advantage of it, man. If you just want a little feel good about what you're watching or just get a second opinion, I'm here. Take advantage of it. If not, at the very least, check that link down below, guys. I have a private Discord. Got to plug it real quick because we're making too much money in there. I just got to say the too much money thing, but we're doing very well in there. It's a great community nonetheless. Tons of opportunity. We have plenty of analysts and we have trade signals every day. We cover everything. Options, penny stocks, whatever. Crypto, Forex, very active. Consider joining. Link in the description. If not, at least hit that subscribe. That's for free. How's Netflix looking this week? Actually, the private Discord's free too. There's a free section in there. I forgot to mention. So it's free, but you only get limited access to things. Okay, we at least give you a daily watch list every day. That's for free. I think that's pretty good value. Like 5 top stock. I think it's 5 or 6 free stocks every day. In-depth analysis. If you guys want that for free, join our Discord. Okay. Completely free, but only for a limited time, so you need to hurry up. So Netflix looks pretty good to the downside. So I like this for shorts. It does look like it is kind of testing this gap here on the daily a little bit. So watch out for that. I like it for shorts. It depends, right? I short stocks. So I go up and I long and I short. So if I have like clear direction in one direction, it looks good to me. And right now it looks somewhat clear. Okay. You have some seller strength coming in. Okay. You know where that next level is you need to watch, which is going to be there, right? About 250 psychological level. Found a leg up. Tried to fill this bigger gap here on this side. Didn't make it all the way through and cooled down. Netflix bouncing off the 200 EMA would be dialed in with them advanced concepts later tonight. Yeah. What you know about that advanced concepts, Nismo? You don't know nothing about that, boy. What you know about that, man? What you know about that? Yeah, we'll be covering some advanced concepts tonight in the private Discord. If you guys want to join, being able to cover the market and analyze in real time what's actually making money is top value. Absolutely. Yeah, and we like, our group is sick. Like, honestly, I make a lot of money just from talking to guys in the chat throughout the day. Like, I'll just be in there like texting on my phone through our Discord channel, and I'm like, guys are like highlighting plays like that weren't even on my radar in the middle of the day, and I'm making money because of these guys. So you have that on top of the endless amounts of trades. We have trade signals every day, man, and there's variety there as well. So then you have diversity in skill sets. There's noobs in there and there's experts in there. You get the whole array. So I think it's something worth entertaining, especially with the opportunity that there has been in the markets. The markets are beautiful this day and age. Everybody's so timid with this recession bullshit and whatever. That's fine. I get that from an investor perspective. From a trader perspective, there's volatility and there's liquidity. Everything you need as a trader is there. You have big moves almost every day. The S&P, like a normal day on the S&P is when it moves 2% in a day. That wasn't even a thing years ago. It was far-fetched. The Dow can be down 800 points in one day. And it's like normal now. Do you understand that the Dow was down 800 points in one day years ago? That's like a recession on its own. That's like panic mode. Nowadays it's just like, oh, now red day, another red day, So that tells you there's a lot of liquidity in the markets. And if there's a lot of liquidity, that means things will move. And if things are moving, that means we'll make money. DBGI is on watch for the next few weeks. Recent 1-to-100 reverse split and only has 500K. Wow, that's very low flow. Holy crap. DBGI. Hit that like, gangster grills. And guys, if you want to join the private Discord, you have 2 options. You can join for free, and I'll send you guys a daily watch list every day for free. Guys, it's free. Join the link down below, okay? Free private Discord. Check it out, baby. And if that link doesn't work for you, let me know. But it should. All right. So DBGI. And if that, by the way, if that link doesn't work, check us out on Instagram. Okay, STC. Fuck. Hold on. Let me get the link for you, and I'll post it in this live chat. Can you guys give me 2 seconds here? It wasn't really. This is my bad, but I will give you guys a free link to the Discord. You guys can join up in. I'll give you a free daily watch list every day. If you find value in that, it doesn't hurt. It's free. And if you want to take it a step further and get live alerts and coaching and daily live streams, that's where you can decide if you want to sign up. But I will send you the link here. Give me a second. Okay, and here's the link. Boom. There is your link, guys. Join up in. Would love to have you. Okay. Sorry. Had to plug real quick. DBGI. You want to watch this? NASCAR All Out. NASCAR All Out's posted something in here, man. You better listen. You better listen, man. Because this guy's crazy. This guy's from the future, man. I don't know where they find this guy at, man. DBGI. 1-100 reverse split. You can see it's wedging a little bit here. Trading a little bit of this channel, man. Little bit of something there, man. Okay. It's tight. It's tight. Check it out. 500K shares outstanding. Relative volume has been coming in hot the last couple days here, man. It's doing something bad. I don't know what it's up to. It's up to something strange, man. Danger is there are a few shelf offerings on it that could drop. Okay. There you go. He's even telling you what to look out for. Thank you, NASCAR. You've been digging Li Auto. I know what Li Auto is, Amy. Come on, man. I know a lot about this company. Yeah. So I know a lot about Li Auto, Xpeng, Neo. I know more than I should about about the EV market, especially the Chinese EV market. I know more about the Chinese EV market than the US EV market. It's crazy. Li Auto's a good company. They have a very affordable sedan model vehicle. Last time I was following them, they had like their 2 sedan models. They're selling for like around 30,000 or no, 25 to 30,000 in USD prices. And they've sold a lot of vehicles. Neo's kind of like the better version of them. They have the battery swaps, but yeah, Lee's doing really good. I think even somebody who used to work, I think a developer that worked at Neo is now working at Lee or something. Helped up with the startup or something like that. Yeah, you know, this volume coming into this, it's very oversold. Doesn't mean it can't go further down, but I would just watch Chinese stocks as a whole and see if that market starts to wake up here. But I mean, the thing's trading at 18 bucks. All-time highs was 47. It looks like it is going on a little bit of a run here. Yeah, just keeps making its moves up. I mean, it's uptrending the last, what is this? This trend kind of started around here, so about the last week here. It's been uptrending pretty nicely, just breaking prior highs. So be careful as it gets near this next one here. And then here's a big one over here that you definitely want to watch. Might get some US 30 shorts tonight or right under my level of resistance. Bet. Paula's here. Paula. Good to see you. She's smashing that like. What's good? Thanks for the heads up, NASCAR. Make sure you guys kick it within the Discord. It's free for limited time. Y'all better hurry, man. Join that Discord for free, man. It's free link. I posted it top of the chat, man. You missing out, man. I hate this music I'm playing. This is the best I could do, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to everybody for this tragedy. Facebook parent Meta plans to begin laying out thousands of employees this week. Yeah, it's looking bad, man. I'm telling you, you're going to see a lot more layoffs, guys. You're going to see more layoffs. You're going to see inflation not cool down. You're going to see a lot of these layoffs, especially in tech. And there's a lot to that. A lot of it, too, is because, like, they kind of went through, like, strong hiring before. And then now they have, like, way less demand for their products. And now they have all these bodies sitting around, right? All these pieces of meat. And they're like, what do we do with these things, man? Why do we hire all these people? The world's shutting down. We have no more demand. Get rid of them. All right? Now, hopefully those people do okay. Some severance. Litecoin. Oh, we got a little crypto gang in here, man. We can take a look at Litecoin real quick here. I do have to go in about 10 minutes, guys, so make it quick. I got to hop on with my private Discord here in a private chat, guys. You want to join our private Discord channel, link down below if you want full exclusivity. At the very least, if you want access to a free daily watch list courtesy of myself and the team, check that link at the top of the chat. Limited time only. That link does expire, so take advantage of it while you're in the live stream. All right, Litecoin, perpetual futures. Yeah, right. It's kind of just undergoing, you know, it's a Bitcoin, right? It's respecting the Bitcoin futures. It literally looks like the Bitcoin futures. The volume has been trading pretty low down here, though, which is a little strange compared to Bitcoin. But you can see it's just been kind of holding this range here, and it still looks like it is. But it's, you know, there's quite a bit of a gap here. I know there's liquidity likely floating in there. Is that where it's wanting to go next? Is that where it's gravitating towards, or is it just going to find this next resistance here and really struggle to get past it? Right around this area up here. So looks like it's just driving towards liquidity, and once it grabs that liquidity, we'll see if it wants to make a further move up. My prediction is it'll probably cool down before it makes this next move back up. Or further up here. Okay, volume is diverging a little bit too with the price action, right? Price is pushing up, but volume is pushing down. It's not the best sign, but it's only one confluence, so I don't know, man. Keep your eye on it. Bitcoin though, 21,000, man. I got an alert set at 22,000 for Bitcoin. That's the area I'm watching right now. CryptoPort did really good over the weekend. We're up a lot, so happy about that. We'll see where it goes. Doge, you want me to chart Doge right now, man? Man, we finishing strong, huh? We got the stupid ass coin. All right, we'll take a look at Doge, man. Let me see if we can do USDT. Let's do it to the dollar. Yeah, you know, Doge has been induced. There's been some induced volatility with Doge lately. You had this volume spike. Obviously, Elon contributed to this. You know, I think this has more downside soon. I'd probably look to short this personally. We'll see. Like I said, you know, the crypto, really need to watch Bitcoin for everything. And crypto looks like it's getting ready to maybe do something. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But it's bringing in some volume, and it's starting to move, especially over the weekend here. Again, markets as a whole, like the stock market doesn't look good, and Bitcoin's been respecting the stock market, so keep that in mind. And Doge, I think it's just a pump and dump right now. It went through its pump. It's almost got a little head and shoulders going on here. I think Doge is going to see some downside. I really do. I think it was just kind of a pump and dump. All right, prove me wrong. What is this? Coupang? Steven, give me some guys, give me some context, man. What do you want? What are you looking at with this? With Coupang? Looks good, man. What do you want me to look at? What you look at? You looking to trade it? Invest? Short term, long term? Tomorrow, today? What? Coupang? Yeah, I mean, it looks a little volatile. No clear direction, kind of ranging. Okay. Not doing a whole lot. Buy? You're looking to buy it? Why? It's because it's cheap. Yeah, I mean, it's just not really. It's not doing a whole lot. It's kind of trading sideways. All right. It's forming lower lows. lower highs. You get a pump once in a while. One was from earnings, it looks like, and then I don't know what the hell this was. Might have been news, but you're seeing lower lows, kind of trading downward here. I don't even. The price action alone is all I can, work off of. It looks like they have earnings coming up, so maybe keep an eye on that. They have earnings. Was that Wednesday? Yeah, they have earnings on Wednesday. Other than that, I don't know a whole lot about this company. Just outside looking in, it's been downtrending. It looks like ish. You have these random spikes. I don't know what this is about. This looks like news, and then you had earnings. Jeez, they have earnings pretty often. Wait, 1, 2. No, that's about right. Well, it's not quarterly, but is it? Oh yeah, it might be. Yeah. Cool. All right, y'all. Real quick, hit that like, baby, hit it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another one. I upload every single day. If you want to join our private Discord channel, free link up above at the top, free daily watch list, completely free, tons of value there. Limited time only, limited seats. That link does expire. Check that link pinned at the top of the chat. I'd love to have you in there. And if you want to join the full service, check that link down below in the description. Plenty of opportunity there. We have experts. We do private live streams every single day. We do learning sessions every single week with our analysts, and on top of that, we do alerts every single day, and we have diversity in our alerts as well. We do stocks, penny stocks, options, okay, crypto, forex, fuck around, gang. All right, gonna join over to my private Discord here. I got a private live stream in there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the rest of your weekend here and enjoy the rest of your week ahead. I'll see you in the next live stream and the next video, gang.